Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily delete a product in Wix. So when you're gonna be in Wix here, you just want to click here on store products, and you're gonna see products here, and you just want to simply find a product like, I don't know, Baby Yoda here, and just click on the three dots and click here on delete. You can also, like what I recommend, you can also hide the product from store. So if you want to use it in the future, don't delete the product, just hide it and just click here on three dots and delete. So yeah, this is pretty much how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. You know how it goes, you know how it works. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.